want to show you guys how to replace your cabin air filter in 2005-2012 Nissan Pathfinder, and hopefully you guys will be able to see with how I got the camera set up. So first thing you want to do is open up your glove box, clear out all your trash. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to push in the left side, and you actually got to push it pretty hard to get it in, and then you push in the right side a little bit, and then it comes down just like that. You have this little clip right here. You simply just slide that off, and now you got access to it down here. I'm going to move my camera. Okay, now coming into the glove box on the right side, there will be a 10mm bolt right where that hole is. However, my car just doesn't have one, I guess, because there's just not one in it. So after you take that bolt out, what you want to do is push down on this tab, or push up on the tab just a little bit, and then you'll slide the whole filter down just like that, and then the filter actually just slides out. You just tilt it down all the way, and it just slides out like that, and then you have access to your filters. Okay, now to take the filter out, you simply just pinch it right here on the side, wiggle it a little bit, and it'll start to come out. You can just slide the whole thing out, and as you can see, mine is filthy. There's just nothing but filth coming off of it. So I'm gonna pause it so I don't get it in my mouth. Now for the second filter, just gonna reach in there, kind of do the same thing. What I'm doing is I'm just pinching just on the corner, and then once I pinch it on the corner, just dragging it over, and then just sliding the whole thing out right there. And that is filthy. You want to pause it again? I don't think my filter's ever been cleaned or replaced in my car, so if you guys need a reason to replace your cabin filters, here's a good reason to do it. Alright, now on your new filters, I got carbon filters. So what you want to do is see how the arrow's pointing down. That's the way that you want to slide it in. Okay, so we're putting our new filter in, and remember the arrow needs to be pointing down just like that. So to start, we're going at an angle like this to put in the first one. Then once it's in a little bit, you want to turn it, and we're going in at this angle now. And it's all actually supposed to be angled quite a ways. It's all going to be angled like that, so they're actually not going in straight. Okay, so now that I got that one in, I pushed it in the very back. I actually slid my phone in there just to push it. And remember putting in this one, the arrow pointing down. See if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it a little bit. The phone just dropped. Okay, so we're just gonna wiggle it a little bit like that. And just put my fingers on the outside like that to push it in. And there we go. Looks like we got them both all the way in, like that. Now we're just gonna put the cover on. Alright, now put the cover back on. We've got our two little pins right there that slide in to those little slots right there on the bottom housing. And you simply just push it up, and it goes right on your clip right up top. And if you have your 10mm, which I don't, just put it in right there. Okay, so now that we got our filter in, or filters in, we're gonna replace it. The string that went around right here is actually on this little swivel type of thing, and it's like a seat belt. You actually gotta pull it out like so, and then hook it on your little white piece again. Right there, don't know what that's called, someone's calling it a white piece. Okay, and now we're just gonna push in both sides kind of hard, and now we got them in place, and now you're all good to go. Thank you guys.